Hello everybody, Oji-san here. Welcome back to the channel. It might be a bit late, but Happy New Year to all of you. I hope this year brings you happiness and prosperity. Today, we are excited to share that we are kicking off the year with a winter trip to South Korea. This will be our very first time visiting the country, and we cannot wait to share our journey with you. In this video, we will walk you through how we are preparing for the trip. With our experience in travel planning, we hope that it will go smoothly. We have crafted a comprehensive itinerary packed with must-see tourist spots, transportation tips, and essential passes. Let's dive in. The first step is to plan our itinerary so we can decide where to book our accommodation. We will be in South Korea for 12 days, but with travel time factored in, we have 11 full days to explore. Since it's our first visit, we'll be focusing on iconic tourist destinations. Here's the breakdown. For the first 3 days, we will stay in Seoul. We will use the Discover Seoul Pass 72 hours to cover as many attractions as possible. We have optimized this itinerary to save travel time and maximize the pass benefits. Stick around for the cost-saving tips we will share after our trip. In the next part, we will stay in Busan for 4 days, and in here, we will use the Visit Busan Pass 48 hours to visit all the high-cost attractions. For the remaining 2 days, we will immerse ourselves in local culture and food around the city. And then, for the last 4 days, we will be back staying in Seoul. We will spend 1 day exploring Suwon, a charming city near Seoul, and another day visiting Hwacheon Sancheoneo Ice Festival for the unique ice fishing experience. In the last 2 days, it will be spent by shopping and cafe hopping in Seoul neighborhood. While this itinerary is our guide, we are prepared to make adjustments based on weather and other conditions. The second step is booking accommodations. Most travelers will choose to stay in popular tourist areas like Myeongdong, Hongdae, and Gangnam, but we decided to stay in a quieter area for a more relaxing experience. We have booked the Silla Stay Hotel in Guro, which is just about 30 minutes from downtown Seoul. This location offers spacious rooms, better rates, and proximity to local shopping and food streets. We will show you the area later in our upcoming videos. The next step is preparing transportation and passes. For this trip, we bought the travel pass that made us save money like Discover Seoul Pass and Visit Busan Pass. It comes in with physical and mobile version. For the physical card, you need to go to a specific location in Seoul to buy it, and we opt in to buy the mobile version as it is more convenient for us. Here's what you need to know. The Discover Seoul Pass for the physical card doubles as a transportation card, but the mobile version includes a free 1-day eSIM and a K limousine bus ride from Incheon Airport. Similar to the Seoul Pass, the Visit Busan Pass also available in both physical and mobile versions. We will share how much we save using this pass after our trip. We will also purchase T-Money cards for the public transportations once we arrive, as these are available at Incheon Airport or convenience stores there, and you will need cash to top them up. Step number 4 is about intercity travels. When traveling between cities in Korea, train tickets can usually be purchased from the official website www.letsgorail.com. However, During major holidays like the Lunar New Year, Korea's busiest travel season, it's nearly impossible to secure train tickets. Many travel dates are blackout for reservations during this period. Faced with this challenge, we opted to take the express bus from Seoul to Busan instead. To ensure maximum comfort, we chose the premium bus option and it didn't disappoint. In Korea, there are three types of trains: KTX, ITX, and Mugunghwa. KTX is the fastest and most expensive, taking about 2.5 hours from Seoul to Busan. Mugunghwa, on the other hand, is the slowest and the cheapest option. Traveling by express bus takes about 4 hours, but it comes with the added bonus of scenic views of Korea's picturesque countryside, a treat you might miss on the train. For travelers planning to explore multiple cities, the Corail Pass might be a great deal. It offers unlimited train rides for 2, 3, 4, or 5 days. However, since we were only traveling between Seoul and Busan, the pass wouldn't have saved us much money. But if your itinerary includes several cities, the Corail Pass is definitely worth considering. Step number 5 is must-have apps. These apps will make our trip smoother. Navermap is the most reliable navigation app in Korea, as Google Maps is not reliable. They often give wrong directions and locations. Google Translate or Papago for translating menus and signs. Discover Seoul and visit Busan apps to manage passes and view QR codes for each attractions. Korea Transit Card Balance. To check T-Money card balances, just tap the T-Money on the back of your phones to know the remaining balance on your card. The last step is what to pack for winter. Winters in South Korea are noticeably colder than in Japan, so we are preparing with heavy-duty winter essentials. Our packing list includes down jackets, sweaters, gloves, scarves, beanies, and heat-tech innerwear to stay warm. Once we arrive in Seoul, we also plan to pick up long padded winter coats which are perfect for braving the chill. These knee-length jackets are a lifesaver on the coldest days, wrapping you in warmth and comfort. Also, don't forget to bring your most comfortable shoes as you will do a lot of walking. That wraps up our preparation. We will share our experiences and tips in the future videos, including navigating tourist attractions and showcasing the beauty of South Korea in winter. If you're planning a trip to Korea, we hope this video helps you prepare. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on what you like to know more about. As always, may you find joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.